So here we go with the Four Winds boat that's taken on water. It's a 1992. The Four Winds are really bad about transom issues and rotten wood. So we have some water inside the boat, and you can see right there that it's leaking out underneath the transom assembly. So where we are at this point in time is actually pull a motor drive, make it a big hole in the back of the boat, and see if the see what's causing it to pull away right there. But you can see it looks like the transom assembly shifted some, because you have a white that's visible there and none that's over here. So the transom assembly's probably just shifted on the boat and causing it to leak.